How to utilize 50 days before the examination. So, we have just received our CSIR UGC NET June 2024 examination details from the official site, and you all know that we have our examination from 25 to 27 June. Based upon our subject, we'll be having our dates defined, but the examination window is from 25 to 27. Right now, utilizing these last 50 days, utilizing these last few days before the examination is of utmost importance. जितना अच्छे से हम ये लास्ट के 50 डेज को यूटिलाइज करेंगे, उतना बेटर हमें रिजल्ट मिलेगा. Now understand that these 50 days are like do or die situation. Never ever consider these days for fun. In days को for the sake of just sitting and only revising के लिए use मत करना. I would give you a suggestion, like if you want to take a personal suggestion from my end, do not skip your previous year question at any cost. रिविजन जितना स्ट्रांग होगा और जितनी अच्छी हमारी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन की प्रैक्टिसिंग होगी, उतना अच्छा हमारा रिजल्ट आएगा. The better you prepare with the previous year questions and with the repeated revision, the better results you are getting. Try to not add on any new topic to your preparation, because last minute पर new topic add करने पर confusion create होता है. We tend to forget when we try to memorize a lot of new things. Try to repeatedly revise. Try to practice out your previous year question and try to give as many mock tests as possible. जितना ज्यादा हम इन तीन एलिमेंट्स पर फोकस करेंगे, उतना बेटर हमारा रिजल्ट होगा. राइट? सो remember about this thing. In this entire video, we'll be discussing the similar thing for your preparation. Right? Right now, before starting the video, if you're planning out for the December 2024, and if you're waiting out for Botany Insider to launch your course, so the CSIR Net Mastery course is about to get launched on our YouTube and our application. In a week or so, we'll start with the enrollments for the same. So if you are planning out for December examination, this particular course is a one stop destination for you. We'll be sharing the details for the enrollment and everything very, very soon. In addition to that, if you're planning out this June examination, so we have a number of courses running for you all. We have a full course. At present, this crash course and the PYQ course will be of more importance because you have last 50 days. So you won't be able to cover up everything. So whatever, if you want to like revise out the things, if you want to practice out the things in the fast paced manner, depending on your requirement, go through the crash course and go through the previous year question practicing courses. These are available in very, very affordable prices, and it will help you out in the best manner possible. Right? We have hard copy notes booklet as well, and quick revision notes booklet as well. So whichever is of your requirement, you can accordingly get it. Right? Now let's discuss about what are the main pillars on which your preparation should be dependent on during these last 50 days. The first thing is revision. नेवर स्किप रिवीजन. बहुत सारे बच्चे सिर्फ टॉपिक पर फोकस करते हैं एंड दे डू नॉट थिंक अबाउट रिवाइजिंग दोस टॉपिक्स अगेन एंड अगेन. जितना रिपीटेड रिवीजन होगा, जितना रिपीटेडली आप एक टॉपिक को रिवाइज करेंगे, उतने बेटर चांसेस हैं, उतने ज्यादा चांसेस हैं आपके ज्यादा मार्क्स आने के, बिकॉज you will be able to retain that particular content in your mind. And अगर हमारा retention power अच्छा होगा, हम statement wise question, match the following questions, experimental question, उन सब questions को mark कर पाएंगे. So never skip your revision. ये last के 50 days के अंदर target out at least 3 to 4 complete in these 50 days. ट्राई टू हैव 3 to 4 कंप्लीट सिलेबस रिवीजन। जितना ज्यादा आप रिवाइज करेंगे उतना ज्यादा आप रिटेन कर पाएंगे और उतने बेटर आपके रिजल्ट्स आएंगे। बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स रिवीजन को स्किप करके सिर्फ टॉपिक को एक बार रीड करते हैं एंड देन दे फील लाइक व्हाई aren't they qualifying the examination. The reason for them not able to qualify is unka lack of revision. They have not revised the topic properly. So topic को अच्छे से revise करो। revision के लिए हर दिन make a micro target for yourself and then work accordingly। 50 days को distribute in a manner that you are able to work on the topic, you are able to work on, like you distribute your day in a way कि आप previous year question practicing को at least 3 to 4 hours दे, प्लस आप रिवीजन को एटलीस्ट 3 to 4 hours दे। अगर आपने पहले अपना सिलेबस कंप्लीट किया है, इफ यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर syllabus previously, then 7 to 8 hours of daily preparation is more than enough for you now. You need not to sit for 14 hours a day and on a stretch keep on studying. No. अगर आप quality time के according study करेंगे, if you study in a quality manner and not just focus upon the quantity, you are going to qualify for sure. But for that, for these 3 4 hours, you'll have to switch off your social media, you'll have to switch off all your other thoughts and focus only and only on your preparation. First thing is the revision. Second thing is previous year question practicing. Practicing of the previous year question papers is of utmost importance. Do not skip them at any cost because they'll get you an idea about how the type of questions are formed, what type of questions are formed, how a specific concept can be framed in a way that you're able to mark the answer. So, previous year questions should be dealt in the best manner. From 2023 December paper up till 2017 June paper, try out at least these many papers and solve them these judiciously. Do not just keep sit and read about them. No, learn them, understand the question, understand the concept behind the question. That's very very important. So previous year questions are of utmost importance. Along with that, mock tests are of the most prior, like you, it should be of the highest priority to you. Mock test से better आपको कहीं practice नहीं मिलेगी. And if you are planning out or if you are searching out for an affordable option for mock test series and quality questions, you can join our mock test series जिसके अंदर आपको 120 plus tests available होंगे in the price of 899 only, and additionally अभी 100 rupees off का और डिस्काउंट कूपन है। सो आप हमारा ऐप डाउनलोड कर यहाँ से मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज ले सकते हैं। इट्स अवेलेबल इन वेरी वेरी अफोर्डेबल प्राइजेस। 120 प्लस टेस्ट जिसके अंदर आपको परसेंटाइल स्कोर, आपको रैंक, आपने कितने पॉजिटिव्स मार्क करे, कितने नेगेटिव्स मार्क करे, क्या उसका स्कोर था, क्या डिटेल सोल्यूशन होगा, एवरी सिंगल थिंग यू विल बी गेटिंग इन दीज मॉक टेस्ट। सो इफ यू आर विलिंग आउट फॉर finding out these mock, if you want to like join in these mock tests, I have added a detail like a link for the same in the description box as well. In addition, आप ऐप पर जाकर डायरेक्टली ऐप से भी डाउनलोड, ऐप से भी आप डायरेक्टली परचेज कर सकते हैं। So these mock test series are going to help you out in the best manner. So first thing is revision, second is previous year question, third thing along with previous year question, your mock test series, that's also of utmost importance for you. So try the mock test series as well. So which all three things we discussed just now, what all pillars are there? First thing is revision, second thing is your previous year question practice, third thing are your mock test. In addition to that, there's one more very important pillar because four pillars make up the foundation very strong. Fourth most important pillar is self confidence. Do not think about आपके आसपास कौन क्या कर रहा है, what the other person is doing, or never think about yourself in a way कि आप अपने बारे में negative सोचे, that if it is your second attempt, so just keep that negative thought away from your head and focus upon the present, focus upon the ongoing test, or focus upon the ongoing current paper that you have to give. So have self confidence, revise properly, previous year question practicing and mock test. अगर आप ये चारों चीजें properly focus down करेंगे, no one, and if you have like actually worked on your concepts effectively, no one is going to stop you from qualifying this examination. हर एक कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन का फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्राइटेरिया होता है सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. इफ यू हैव कॉन्फिडेंस ऑन योर सेल्फ दैट आई कैन डू इट, नो वन कैन स्टॉप यू फ्रॉम qualifying that examination. So have a positive approach towards the exam. अपने सारे टॉपिक्स को रिवाइज कीजिए, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पे फोकस कीजिए, मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज को लगाइए, एंड you have your entire requirement ready, and just give the examination in the best manner possible. I'll be sharing with you all a number of videos and a series of videos with you all for the upcoming examination related to how you have to target out part A. अगर आपको पार्ट ए में प्रॉब्लम है, जनरल एप्टीट्यूड में प्रॉब्लम है, आप जनरल एप्टीट्यूड का कोर्स ज्वाइन कीजिए. ऑन बॉटनी इनसाइडर वी हैव अ जनरल एप्टीट्यूड कोर्स एज वेल. All the links for all the courses in the description box. Check that out and it will help you. In addition to that, पार्ट बी अपने थ्योरी पर फोकस कीजिए, पार्ट सी अपने एक्सपेरिमेंटल एनालिटिकल स्किल्स के ऊपर फोकस कीजिए, एंड व्हेन यू वर्क ऑन ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, नो वन कैन स्टॉप you from actually qualifying the examination, right? So identify your weakness and make sure that these weaknesses are worked upon before the main examination, right? So these are few things that you should focus upon, and stay connected with Botany Insider. Download our application, get yourself enrolled in the number of courses that we have right now. All the courses provide you the best quality content in the most affordable pricing possible. So if you wish to enroll, you can download our app. It is available both on the iOS as well as on the Play Store. So this was a short quick video for you all. I hope it helped you out. In addition, for December students, do not worry, the wait is about to get over. We are about to launch a full power pack mastery course for you all. So you'll be getting every single thing in the course. We'll be sharing the details very, very soon, and that too in the most affordable pricing possible. So thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in the next class. I'll be sharing a number of videos with you all. I hope it was helpful. Do let me know in the comment sections below if this class helped you out in some way or the other. Thank you for joining in. Bye everyone. Let's meet in the next class.